Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're anything like me, you've probably dealt with brittle nails, constant peeling, and the frustration that comes with weak, flaky nails. Today, we're talking about a product that claims to turn all of that around in just 3 days, the Collagen Instantly Strong Nail Treatment. This product promises ultra-strong nails in a short span of time, with a finish that's not only hard, but also glossy. Sounds like a miracle, right? But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the details and see how this one performs. Collagen Instantly Strong is a nail treatment designed to strengthen and protect nails that are prone to peeling, flaking, and overall weakness. The key ingredient here is collagen, which is known for its ability to enhance the strength and elasticity of skin, and it's claimed to work wonders for nails as well. The formula is designed to create a protective barrier, helping to lock in moisture and prevent nails from breaking or chipping. As I started using this, I first noticed the texture. It's a smooth, quick-drying formula that glides onto the nails effortlessly. It's not too thick or sticky, which I personally appreciate when using nail treatments. The instructions suggest applying it every day, and after 3 days of consistent use, I did start to notice some significant differences. What really stood out to me was the finish. The product left my nails with a sleek, shiny coating that made them look healthier almost instantly. Plus, the formula didn't feel heavy or greasy on the nails, which some treatments tend to do. My nails felt stronger, and I didn't experience any peeling or flaking as I had before. Now let's get to the nitty-gritty. What's really working for this product? For one, the shine is gorgeous. My nails didn't just look good, they felt better too. The collagen seems to deliver on its promise of strength and durability. As for weaknesses, I'd say the biggest issue might be the need for consistent application. If you miss a day or two, you might not see the same results. But when you stick to the routine, this treatment does what it says on the label. It strengthens nails and gives them a lovely glossy finish. The other downside might be the price point. Depending on where you buy it, it can seem a bit on the higher side for a nail treatment. But considering the results, it might be worth it for those who are serious about their nail health. Is it a good deal? In my opinion, yes. The performance justifies the price, especially for those looking for a quick solution to weak nails. However, if you're on a budget, there are other nail strengtheners that are priced lower but still get the job done. I've also tested it against a few similar products, and while there are some cheaper options out there, this one stands out in terms of the overall effect it has on the nails. The shine and strength it delivers are definitely above average compared to many alternatives in this price range. As for longevity, I've been using it for a little over a week, and so far, the results have held up. My nails are stronger, and there's no sign of peeling or chipping, which is a big win for me. I haven't had to reach out to customer service for this product, but I do know that the brand has a reputation for being responsive if there are any concerns. That's always reassuring when you're investing in a beauty treatment. Would I recommend Collagen Instantly Strong? If you've been struggling with weak peeling nails and want a simple, effective treatment that works quickly, this might be just what you need. However, if you're looking for a budget option, you might want to explore alternatives before making the jump. And now, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so we can keep bringing you honest reviews like this. Your support really helps. Thank you for tuning in today. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Does it work for you like it did for me? I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for joining us on Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.